Day number four, day number four. This is Master Ty. I want to show you some cardio moves, y'all, on the different ways of training that we're doing for the boot camp. So this is one. Whether you're standing up or sitting down, you do your cardiovascular with aerobics, sparring, mixed martial arts, karate workouts. And also your second one is flexibility training, whether you're seated or standing, doing yoga. You could be doing stretches like I'm doing here, where you're doing toe touch, ankle touch, and you just doing what you got to do for your flexibility training. That also connects to, again, yoga, and also Pilates is a great exercise too. Now, you also want to remember the next thing. Also, aside from this flexibility stretches and yoga training, you also work on mobility, which I'm doing here right now. You're working on your mobility of the knees. You also have the other different things that you could also do for the shoulders and other parts of the body. Okay, so I'm just showing you a few here. Once again, mobility, you got to do it just like me. This one is for the shoulders, shoulder mobility. Now, you do about 9 to 12, and then you hold it, and you got to press back for about 3 to 5 reps. So that means once you finish the 9 to 12, you're going to get ready to hold it like I'm going to do now. And then you're going to start to walk it back 4 to 5 times. Okay, sometimes you could also do 3, when you're just starting. So mobility training is how you're going to be gaining with your flexibility. Okay, and you can do these in the first parts of your workout and your warm up. Okay, once again, this is mobility. Now we also doing some of the other muscles, and you can keep the feet shoulder distance apart, and you're going inward. And then don't forget, after 9 to 12, you got to go in 3 to 5 times. And don't forget also, keep a positive mindset, play a little music as you're doing mobility training, and also your flexibility training, because it helps with the healing process. Okay, especially for those who have knee injuries. I've done a lot of study on this, and it's cool when you stay in the right mental mood. Okay, and you're calm, and you're getting your calisthenics, you're motivated, and you're also stimulated by your workout. So you want to get up and do it more. Now we're going out, same exercise, but we're going outside now. And once again, enjoy the journey, learning and also earning. Okay, mobility training. So this is two type of examples of the mobility training, and I'm here if you want to ask in the comments below about some more about mobility or flexibility training. Okay, so once again, we're gonna get ready to go into number 3, which is dealing with the resistance training, as I was telling y'all yesterday on day number 3. Okay, so here we go. Sit-ups, you already know sit-ups. You could do it seated. You could also do it standing up. Yes, standing up. And you could do it lying down. Okay, that's right, you could do it on your back lying down. So sit-ups is connected to your resistance training. You could also do crunches, other movements like this, whether you're in the gym or not in the gym. Resistance training is very important, which also connects to some of the other training like high interval training, which is another method I was talking about yesterday. And this is where you might be doing burpees, and you might be doing other exercises such as high knees, and also mountain climbers, and other exercises like that. Right now I'm just demonstrating also going back, resistance exercises for the legs, where you're just sitting on the chair, getting back up, sitting on the chair and getting back up. Of course, I'm taking my time because I'm working with an elder group, and of course, so we won't be having an issue with injuries. I make it safe for them, but they still getting the work done, just like you have to get it done and myself has to get it done. Okay, so keep on training and gaining. If you're going to be doing a 30-day faith-based challenge with me, let me know, and I thank you for your positive energy. And don't forget, the joy of the Lord is your strength. And now, even sitting down, I make sure they also have at least 2 exercises for their legs, 2 exercises for their chest, 2 exercises for their back, and also for the small muscles as well. Okay, so that's a little bit about the resistance exercise. And once again, we talked about the cardio. We talked about the high interval training. We talked about the mobility and flexibility training. So keep on gaining by faith. And don't forget, The best is happening right now. If you've been decreeing and declaring that is the best is yet to come, don't do it. Peace and blessings. Don't forget, with God all things are possible. Stay believing and keep on achieving. Peace and a whole lot of love, Master Ty.